Hey there. This is Dr. Prashant Bog. I would like to welcome you to this video case study, describing social media integration at its best. In this video, we'll see how Britney Spears and her team leveraged social media to announce her album, Hold It Against Me, build up a buzz, and take the album to the top of the charts on iTunes. Given that there are more social networking platforms than we know what to do with, Team Britney selected only those that they knew would give them the best exposure. According to her social media manager, Lauren Kozak, social networks should be looked upon as a tool set, rather than a checklist, meaning, you need not have a presence on each and every one of the platforms. Rather, you should choose those that will help you reach your communication objectives. In line with this strategy, they launched 2 YouTube channels, one in October 2005, and another in December 2006. They launched Twitter and FB accounts in August 2006. And her own blog in October 2008. And to maximize the effects, they integrated all these accounts to feed off one another. A classic case of social media integration can be seen through the introduction of her personal brand of fragrance, Radiance, by Estee Lauder. Britney first tweeted about the fragrance, teasing her followers with an enticing tweet, saying, "Happy Friday, people. Am I part of your future?" This tweet was linked to a Facebook page, which launched an application. When someone clicked on the application, it displayed photographs of the user, taken from their own photo albums, and displayed them inside a fortune teller's crystal ball, which was the theme of the Radiance advertising spot. See? How one social media network fed off the others, and communicated a cohesive message. So, what was the result of this campaign? Team Britney received 1,052 replies to her tweet. Her tweet was retweeted 666 times. And 1,516 users clicked on the app. What made this possible? The first, and the most important thing, that Team Britney ensures is that they make their fans and followers feel like royalty. How do they achieve this? They are aware that, when someone follows their page, it's because they want to know more about her. They want to remain updated with the latest news. To deliver on this expectation, Britney has stopped giving interviews to tabloids and news channels. Instead, she uses her own social platforms to make announcements. Even press releases are handled through her own networks. The press has to refer to these for their info. This means her fans are able to get the latest announcements at almost the same time as the press. This makes them feel special. It's like they know what's happening in Britney's life almost before anyone else. Is it any wonder that her fans adore her? Now, let's see how Team Britney went about launching her album, Hold It Against Me. The single, Hold It Against Me, was first played on January 10, 2011. In the show, On Air with Ryan Seacrest. In a sneaky trick, a demo video was leaked on YouTube 3 days before this launch, that is, on January 7th. But not many people knew about it. To make it pop, Britney Spears cleverly drew attention to this leaked video with a tweet, saying, "Heard an early demo of my new single leaked. If you think that's good, wait till you hear the real one, Tuesday." This tweet served 2 purposes. 1, she drew her fans' attention to the leaked video, feeding their need of remaining updated, and 2, she also made them aware that something was going to happen on Tuesday on Ryan Seacrest's show. But there was a problem. During the launch of her single, her video wasn't even produced. And it would be 5 more weeks before it would be ready. How was she to keep the interests alive for so long? To keep the interest alive, Team Britney made a smart move. They motivated her fans to take the leaked demo single and create their impression of what the final video would look like. Over 2,000 video remixes were received. Some of these were viewed over 1,000 times, while some others received over 700,000 views. Talk about creating buzz. Some of the videos became so popular themselves that they got their own fan following. Over 400 fans went a step further. They created their own clips, showing their own choreography. It was their impression of what the final version of the music video would look like. Some of these clips received over 100,000 views. One video, choreographed by one fan, was featured on Britney's own website, BritneySpears.com, on February 16, just one day prior to the official release of her video. This video was viewed over 180,000 times. How's that for engaging with the fans? Meanwhile, the actual shooting of her video took place over 2 days, January 22nd and 23rd. Britney took this opportunity to feed her fans with updates by tweeting about it and building up more anticipation. Her tweet on January 22nd read, "Day 1 of Hold It Against Me, shoot with Jonas. Such an incredible experience. I think this will be one of the best videos I have ever done, Brit." On 23rd, her tweet was accompanied by a pic from her set. Day 2 is a wrap. Hold It Against Me video, coming soon, Brit. There was going to be another wait after the shoot, for the post-production process. How did Britney utilize this space? 2 weeks prior to the launch, Team Britney launched a drip feed campaign called 14 Days, 14 Videos, 1 Premiere. Under this campaign, 14 teaser videos were released, 1 for each day. The initial 13 teasers lasted between 5 and 13 seconds, gradually increasing in length. And the final one, which was aired a day before the final launch, on February 16th, lasted 30 seconds. This campaign helped by gradually building up anticipation. Each video was viewed well over 1 million times. Then came the day of the launch, the grand premiere. The launch of the video was accompanied by a live discussion on MTV.com, where choreographer Brian Friedman, Jonathan Miller from BreatheHeavy.com, and other MTV celebrities gave their opinion of the clip. The single was exclusively launched on iTunes for the first week. During this period, it was downloaded 411,000 times. It was the best sales week in Britney Spears' sales history for a digital song. The song quickly jumped to the top of the charts on iTunes in 16 countries. This was an excellent example of social media integration, a work of art, bearing amazing results. To learn more social media strategies, please visit Novopreneur.com. Link is given in the description below.